Home remedies for cholera. Cholera is an acute diarrheal illness caused by infection of the intestine with Vibrio cholera bacteria. It can be life-threatening if not treated promptly, so professional medical care is crucial. However, in situations where immediate medical attention isn't available, certain home remedies can help manage symptoms and support recovery. Let's explore these remedies. First and foremost, hydration is critical. Cholera causes severe dehydration, so replenishing fluids is the top priority. Oral rehydration solution, ORS, is highly effective. You can make ORS at home with simple ingredients. To prepare ORS, you'll need 1 liter of clean water, 6 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until the sugar and salt dissolve completely. This solution helps replenish lost fluids and electrolytes. Make sure to drink it in small sips throughout the day. Next, let's talk about diet. Eating the right foods can aid recovery. Bananas are excellent due to their high potassium content, which helps replace lost nutrients. Rice water or thin rice porridge is also beneficial as it's easy on the stomach and provides energy. Bananas and rice porridge should be consumed in small portions, multiple times a day. Additionally, yogurt can help restore healthy gut bacteria. Opt for plain unsweetened yogurt for the best results. Herbal remedies can also provide relief. Ginger has natural anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce symptoms like nausea and stomach cramps. To make ginger tea, slice fresh ginger root and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. Strain the liquid, let it cool slightly and drink it slowly. Adding a few drops of lemon juice can enhance the flavor and provide additional vitamin C, which supports the immune system. Zinc supplements are another beneficial addition. Zinc helps improve immune function and can reduce the duration of diarrhea. It's recommended to take zinc tablets as directed on the packaging. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially in severe cases of illness. Lastly, rest is essential. The body needs time to fight off the infection and recover. Ensure a clean, comfortable environment for the patient to rest and recuperate. Remember, these home remedies are supportive measures and not a replacement for professional medical treatment. If you suspect cholera, seek medical help immediately. In emergency situations where immediate medical care isn't available, these remedies can provide temporary relief and support recovery until professional help is accessible. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related tips and information. Stay healthy, stay safe.